Hey y'all, I guess I'm gonna make it down to Conroe for a little bit, see if the crappie are biting, and if the crappie ain't biting, well, I'm gonna go for some bluegill. And if the bluegill ain't biting, well, guess I ain't gonna have a video. To the docks. I'm gonna do a little bit of crappie fishing. It's a private dock, all right. It's not nothing special. Hopefully the crappie are biting today. Oh, there he goes. Nice little black crappie. All right, let's see if it keeps. Barely 10.
Robert Short show a little bit of bikini bottom. And I'm gonna tell you that. You talk about good look. Man, look the size of that.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh
there.
my God. That is a massive bluegill.
Nuts.
Check him out. Oh my gosh.
You know what? That's the only thing I missed out on Tim.
Got one right here. Oh yeah. Oh, easy. Oh, it's another monster. Another monster bluegill. Got them all tangled up here. Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish. Uh-oh. Got another good one. I don't know what this is. What? Another slab. Well, this one's all messed up here. Check him out. Not bad, huh? Looks like an otter got to him. Got another bluegill. Another chunk. Looks like a that is a big bluegill. Not too bad. This one's a giant. I mean, giant bluegill. Alright, y'all. I'm heading home. And I'll see you guys in a second. All right, y'all, let's do some cooking. So I'm gonna make something pretty good. You're gonna love it with that fried fish. I'm gonna fry that fish up, but I'm gonna make some etouffee with it, some shrimp etouffee. It's gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna start off with butter. Come on now. All right, this is Trinity. So celery, onion, and bell pepper. I add a little bit of jalapeno in it. Some garlic. Cook that down for a second. That's about a half stick butter. I like my butter. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne. Just a little bit. Or however you want, however you like it, okay? You can get it hot or you can get it mild. Or you don't even have to add cayenne, to be honest with you. A little bit of Old Bay. That smells amazing. I'm going to be using some of this Cajun etouffee base from Louisiana. I'm cheating, I guess, but this tastes pretty good, and it helps thicken things up a little bit. I'm not really measuring. I kind of already know how to do this. Mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna do a whole bottle of water. This stuff thickens up pretty good, and you gotta be careful. So from there, I'm gonna add some shrimp. Some diced shrimp from the coast. So I had basically a bottle of water right there, and I used about half of this. And it's already thickening up pretty fast. You want it about gravy thick, however you like your gravy. You want it thicker, just leave less water, and you want it a little bit more thin, just add a little bit more water. This is some chicken stock powder. It does have like a sodium content, so it's kind of salty. So I just put a little bit, probably about half a tablespoon. That's going to be good. You see that? Oh yeah. Make sure you guys taste it. You know, if it needs a little bit more salt or a little more chicken stock, a little bit more cayenne or whatever you want to add to it. This is it's pretty easy to adjust. Oh, that's perfect seasoning. Now that I got the consistency I want, I'm gonna let it sit there. Now I gotta fry up that fish. It's gonna thicken up and even more when you let it sit. That's gonna be really good. That's a big old chunk of filet right there. That's a big bluegill. So I also got the tails. We'll fry them up like a potato, or like a potato chip. Fry them until they're extra crispy. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. All right, y'all, I got some rice here. Just some regular white rice, nothing flavored or anything. It's whatever rice you like, you can use. Got some of the tails. See how crunchy these tails are. It's like a potato chip. I think it's better than a potato chip though. Oh yeah. That goes together like you wouldn't believe. Amazing. Check this out, y'all. Better green onion. Look at that, y'all. You know that's gonna be good. Let me know in the comments if you would eat that. Alright, y'all. You know this is gonna be good. Mmm. That's perfect. It was like the perfect food. Mmm. Don't really get better than that. Mm. So that's it, y'all. If y'all liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. And I've got a lot more content to come, so stay tuned.